Hey there, I'm Britt.
Hey guys, I'm Joe.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Stay tuned.
Beachy Beach.
Today we have an adorable beach house over in Laguna Beach, super close to the sand, Gulf of Mexico. Joe, what was your favorite thing about this house?
Man, my favorite thing about the place was that it had beautiful Gulf views right outside the front porch on the second story on the balcony.
That balcony is awesome. And you and I both love the kitchen.
Oh my gosh, with the beautiful island in the middle, oh, it's gorgeous. You have a lot of space there to work on. You can whip up something on the island, turn around and start cooking on the stove. It's gorgeous, has LVT throughout, and it also has a nice double shower on the first floor with a sand shower to wash off any sand whenever you get up from coming off the beach.
They thought of everything.
They sure did.
So you're out here hanging out in Laguna Beach and go to your beach house in just a minute or two. 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bath would make, it also has a bunk in the hallway.
Yes.
Okay.
Amazing, right? They thought of everything.
Right, so great vacation rental numbers if you choose to rent this out. We don't have any rental restrictions. It's actually part of like a small HOA where some houses have gotten together to share the expense of a community pool. So you have the access to a community pool. And Laguna Beach is super hot, right? You've got like the carousel right here. You're a few minutes to the shops of 30A. You're a few minutes to Pier Park, few minutes to the airport.
Perfect location. You got stuff on the west end and you can go right over to Pier Park and enjoy the amenities there.
Right, if you get a hankering for oysters, you can go down to Mike's Oyster Bar a couple miles down the road. You have got to check out this house. Beautiful Gulf views from the balcony, as Joe mentioned. It is in a great price range, in that $800,000 to $900,000 price range. Give us a call, we'd love to show it to you.
Hey, make sure you click the link below for more details and photos and videos.
Yeah, you don't want to miss out on any great beach deals like this one. Ring that bell before you go. Subscribe to our channel at thebeachshow.com.